Hi, my name is Mario Fukene. I'm the area engineer for the Rhine Ordnance Medical Center replacement project here in Ramstein, Germany. We're undergoing a major construction program currently. Right behind me is the medical centers. It's about 1 million square foot of hospital spaces that are going to be constructed as part of this program. It takes a large team to bring all the knowledge that's required to put the emphasis on the different expertise that you need. No one can carry this project on their own, for sure. So we work together with our partners, the German contractor and the German government, to make this a reality. The Defense Health Agency is our end user, and they're co-located with the Army Corps, and we're thankful for their expertise and opportunity to work with them and make this a better project. We're constantly looking for people. Obviously, we're in an overseas theater, so there are folks that come and go. We're always looking for structural engineers, mechanical, electrical engineers to come and join the team. There's a lot of facilities and amenities in the vicinity of where we are stationed here in Ramstein, so it almost feels like you're still back home, where nothing's really missing. Obviously, if there's anyone back in the home side that would like to join the Army Corps Europe District, this is actually an ideal location to be at.